Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create a login and a register page in Laravel Authentication easily by using Breeze Pack. If you are new to Laravel and want to start building your new Laravel application with an authentication, then the Breeze Start Kit is absolute must. Breeze allows automatically scaffold your application with the routes, controllers and views you need to register and authenticate your application's users. Laravel Breeze's default view layer is made up of simple blade templates styled with Tailwind CSS. Additionally, Breeze provides scaffolding options based on Livewire or Inertia, with the choice of using Vue or React for the inertia-based scaffolding. First, you should create a new Laravel application, configure your database, and run your database migrations. Once you have created a new Laravel application, you may install Laravel Breeze using Composer. I will show you step by step on how to create a new Laravel application, how to configure your database, and run your database migrations. Once we have created a new Laravel application, then we will install Laravel Breeze using Composer. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to comment below. Wish you all a happy Laravel coding. If you'd like to see more free web design tutorials, remember to subscribe to your bro and comment to support my channel. First, let's get into our project directory. I'm using XAMPP, so I will install Laravel project in there. If you don't know how to set up your project, then check out my previous Laravel project setup tutorial. Alright, let's get going, shall we?